inside my V-neck, I'm gray. I got like a gray farmer's tan. It's really weird. My eyelids are sticky.
What is up, guys? Ow. I know for a fact that you, like myself, love spray painting. How do I know that? Oh, simple. Because I'm currently reading your mind as we speak through these very video waves. Just kidding. It's analytics. My views are up on spray painting videos, and that's how I know. Anyway, in those videos, we've spray painted some really cool things, but I think we can go bigger. Oh, no, not here, not here. Don't show all my junk. Zoom back in, come back. Luckily, some brotherly YouTubers called the Dangie Bros are working on a big project. What it is it's a camper on a bicycle. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy.
But we're not professionals, so we found someone in the bushes over there.
Huh? That was so funny. Oh my gosh.
Perfect.
Hey Taylor,
How you doing?
what do you do?
I custom paint things, make it pretty.
Let's make this thing nice and pretty.
But first, let me channel my inner Bob Ross. Pull up my Bob Ross socks.
Ooh.
Nice.
That's where the creative juices come from.
I don't want to smell those juices.
So it's a giant camper on a bicycle, but
Before we put any paint down, you gotta sand. Everybody loves sanding, doesn't they? Feels like my arm's gonna fall off. Oh boy. Jeez Louise. All right, it's midnight. I finally finished sanding, and I'm out here all by myself. It's kind of creepy, I'm not gonna lie. And there's like a little deserty, hilly desert air. What was that? Did you hear that? I was gonna start taping. I might wait till morning. I'm out of here.
The next day.
Dude, look, this hotel I'm staying at, 6 Flags. Look at that. Oh, that's scary. I would not do that.
I need to make sure this paint job inspires them. As they attempt to go 100 miles, stay overnight in this thing, this is gonna get tough, and they need to be inspired to keep going and not giving up.
Basically, I just neutral grayed this out from my base of the sky, and then I'm gonna do a little swoopy, it's not really clouds, but like variations of color. I got paint all over my phone. A little sticky, just sticky.
Much like I read the comments that a lot of you guys actually get from my videos, which is pretty crazy. Because here I am, started making these videos, thought, hey, I'll just teach some people how to paint some cool stuff, But then I get comments from people saying, hey, I'm so glad I found your videos. I was having the worst day ever, but now I'm in a great mood. Thank you. I was like, huh. Some people watching my videos that don't even come because they want to do art. They just enjoy the videos and get inspired by it, and it just puts them in a good mood. Like just last week, I got this comment from a lady. It was extremely humbling. Like, I'm not worthy of this kind of stuff, but what she said was she was in a depression. She hasn't felt like doing anything, but she was scrolling and came across my videos, watched it, and got super inspired. And it's the first time she's felt like creating again since her son passed away. Like, what? My video did that for you? That is crazy. And I don't feel like I'm worthy of that. Anyway, I'm not crying, you're crying. I got allergies, what's your excuse? But that's literally what you can create as well through your art. You just think you're painting a picture, or you're painting some trees or a mountain scene or whatever you're doing. You might not think of how much of an impact or how important it can be to someone else. To us, it's a painting. I'm making a video. But to other people, it could be hope, inspiration. And that's what it means to be a blessing to others. See, God has put something inside of each and every one of you that someone else in the world needs. So we're all here for a purpose, and we all are created with the same wonderful care. And we're all here to be a blessing and make the world a better place.
All right, whew, it's hot. Got the side done here. Both sides, look at that. Ooh, that's a beautiful sky. Now just let that dry, and then we'll throw a tree line right here. We're gonna try to mask this seam line where they had to put the panels together. But I think the trees will, wow, wow, I'm so sticky. So, oh my gosh. It's looking great. This thing's gonna look like it's made that way. Kind of, yeah, it was. Okay. All right, let's put some trees on. All right, I got all my stencils cut out on the laser, the X tool, and got them laid out, ready to spray. Alright, so I'm done with the trees, and it is like so late. I don't even know what time it is. I'm gray everywhere. Look at this. Inside my V-neck, I'm gray. I got like a gray farmer's tan. It's really weird. But man, that's sick. Those trees look so good. Yeah, I like that. Salute to the bicycle camper. Been going 100 miles. My eyelids are sticky. I need a shower.
The next day.
Ooh, that's nice. All in one piece. That's the best. That's the most satisfying part. Ooh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we got a ripper. We got a ripper.
Ah, that's cool. We'll save it. Still be one piece. Come on, one piece, baby. Oh, I'm ripping again.
It's too tight of a corner.
Oh, no. We're going to get it. Oh, we'll get one
yeah.
piece.
Nice. That looks sick. Now the windows.
All right. Let's see what Danger Bros think about it.
Roja Blue!
I forgot about that.
Dude, you almost wrecked it.
I almost ruined it.
That looks sick.
Dude, this paint job turned out so well.
Oh my gosh.
I love this thing.
That's crazy.
Taylor did such a good job.
Dude, wait, where is Taylor?
Huh?